What's the meaning of Alexander Pope? Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope.
Alexander Pope was an 18th-century English poet, best known for his satirical and witty writings. He is considered one of the greatest literary figures of his time and is known for his translations of Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. Pope's most famous works include The Rape of the Lock, an epic poem that satirizes the aristocracy and their frivolous lifestyles, and an essay on man, a philosophical poem that explores the nature of humanity and our place in the universe. Overall, Alexander Pope's legacy continues to inspire and influence poets and writers today.